Jai Hind friends, welcome to the official channel of IARA. Today we will be discussing on the article which is the category which we published in the category of the popular article. The title of the article is the implication of superabsorbent hydrogel as such in agriculture. So today we will know about the what is superabsorbent hydrogel and what its application in agriculture. So this article is published by Arindam Ghosh, two authors. That is, they are basically the scientist of the Department of Agricultural Extension, Sister Nivedita University, Dr. Arindam Ghosh and Ananya Ghosh, and they have here well described about the use and application of the hydrogel, super absorbent hydrogel in agriculture. So basically, they have emphasized the importance of water, its value, importance, and global level. They have here mentioned that global water demand by 2030 is probable to be 50% higher than the today. So nowadays the water management is considered one of the major challenges for all the countries in arid and semi-arid regions. So here the super absorbent hydrogel are promising management option to increase the water use efficiency in agriculture. So they have well defined and well explained about the super absorbent water gel. Research evidence suggests that when the soil is treated with the water hydrogel composite, the water volumetric content of soil increases significantly, and then the surrounding soil dries. The stored water is released back slowly into the soil. So here a lot of importance in the area of arid and semi-arid, where the scarcity of water always be there. So here basically the this illustration represents how the what are the benefits of the in the agriculture and use of the hydrogel. What are the use of hydrogel in the agriculture sector? So it reduces the toxicity. First of all, it reduces the toxicity, and it controlled release of the nutrition. It binds the various mineral and along with the water. So there is a controlled release of the nutrition. So this is good for the continuous growth of the plant. Optimum application, here the optimum application, the use of the various nutrients, fertilizers, and extended duration of the bioactive chemicals. There the persistent of various fertilizers have been the duration have been increased, and minimum evaporation, they bind the water, they absorb the water. So the minimum evaporation takes place, so the moisture remains always available for the plant. And so directly or indirectly it is well and very good for the overall development of the plant. Save money overall. This saves money because they maintain the moisture. So this is they are not directly the use of always the irrigation and other things. So they reduces the bioaccumulation, and reduction of the runoff loss is there. So they have published a very good article. uh, so they have emphasized the author has emphasized the use of hydrogel. So the hydrogels are basically the two types, and here the application. The application prospect hydrogel in agriculture, basically used in arid and semi-arid regions where the rainfall is very minimum, and there is a much more requirement of the water for the plant, and the irrigation, multiple times irrigation is needed. So what happened in arid and semi-arid, more efficient use of water is essential in the field of agriculture. So the application of SH to maintain soil moisture and increasing water holding capacity considered one of the best ways to save the water for the plant in agriculture sector. So here the application method for the field crops, in nursery for the bed transplant, while transplanting, benefit of what are the finally the what are the use, what are the benefit of hydrogel The hydrogel increases the water holding capacity of the soil. So this is the most important capacity of this is that it hold the water content in the soil and conserves the water and prevents soil loss. It conserves the water and prevents soil loss due to the due to the evaporation. So evaporation cannot take place. So it reduces the irrigation frequency, power consumption and labor. So overall it saves the farmers income. It increases the soil permeability also. So this is very good things. And it improves the germination rate, as soil moisture is critical for very successful germination, and enhances the fertilizer and herbicide use efficiency. So this is very good article which is published in Frontier, in the Journal of Frontier and Food Nutrition Research. So a wide range of technological advancement have encouraged the uses of polysaccharide hydrogel due to their conservation, due to in addition protecting the health of the living organism. So we can say here the author is one and most important thing is that author has also tabled that the hydrogels product available in India. So the farmer or any person who belong to the agriculture are involved engaged in agriculture sector, they can use these things. The trade name here, the trade name of the Supergel, and this is the company or source where they are produced. This is the Pusa, one is the Pusa hydrogel, the brand name or trade name is available in the market, Pusa gel, which is made by the IARI Indian Agricultural Research Institute in New Delhi, and Waterlock 93N, this made by one company which is located in Delhi, and agroforestry water absorbent polymer made by the Technocare project products. So these are the one is also raindrop, okay, made by the lifestyle concept Chennai. So these are the basically the product which are available in the market. The trade name is mentioned here. If you belong to the agriculture sector or a researcher, so you want to use these or in your pot or even in your garden, so you can use these product and to and the frequency of the irrigation should be reduced by using this. So one thing also, this article is published in the Journal of Frontier in Food and Nutrition Research. So if you belong to the agriculture sector, a researcher of the agriculture background, or you are MSc student, so you should write article also and publish in this journal or any other good journals also. So here the contact detail had been mentioned. Visit us anveshika.org, or you can write for anything. If you are researcher, so and you are thinking to write article, or you are struggling, so that you can ask anything regarding your research, you can just write anveshika.org@gmail.com. Okay, thank you very much. Again we will appear with the next one article.